draw dragons. And so like if I'm doing like a big, like impressive, scary dragon, I'm going to do a red one.
Why?
Red dragon.
Why? Because red exemplifies
red. It's like
aggression.
It's like the fire and the aggression, exactly.
Force.
You know, and it's going to look
Heat.
great with the.
So the reason I was saying that, you know, there's an infinite amount of different ways that the instrument could be played. And one is I discovered that I could play the harp like this. Keep it rolling. That's one style, and then you have like